How was your weekend?
Great.
Great, yeah.
How was yours?
Yeah, it was good, thank you. Did you just have power?
All weekend, excessive power.
And we have power. It was fabulous.
Yeah. What appliances did you run in there?
Everything.
Everything? Yep.
Kettles, toasters, like electric ones.
That's right.
Everything. Great weekend. I just wanted to go out and buy appliances.
Because now that you can use them, hey?
Now I can use them.
We just got rid of the old microwave because we couldn't run it.
We went with the 400 amp hour 24 volt lithium battery bank. We were actually going to fit that to the boss's caravan, but
We know.
but yeah, you guys swung around. I think you had your dibs on it.
Yeah, we did. As soon as we saw
Still
it.
crying about it.
Yeah, that's right. You should be able to pretty much run whatever you want. They've got a 5 kVA inverter in there. Yeah, I can't think of anything you can't really run actually. You can run air cons, toasters, microwaves, kettles, everything you said there.
And
Well,
that's
it's been
what
excellent.
Yeah, that's what we were expecting
Originally.
but just didn't happen. Just wouldn't do it.
So you had an old AGM system in before we went the full lithium route.
Yeah, we did, and put up with it for 16, 18 months. At night time, used to go and watch a bit of TV for a couple of hours, and couldn't have coffee or anything because I didn't have enough power to do it. And then we were told when to go to bed was when the power cut out. So we had to turn everything off and go to bed, but now that doesn't even look like it's in the ballpark now. So.
Yeah, that's exactly right. These days, lithium, so much lighter, they can handle that high discharge. That's how it should have been performing when you got it in the first place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's been fabulous. In fact, when we leave here, we're going to buy a microwave like yours.
Good to hear.
Then I'm really going to go to town.
Oh, for sure. Those microwaves are convenient. Being able to have all the comforts of home in there these days, yeah, definitely the way to go, for sure.
Well, Richard was so enthralled with it, he walked around with his phone all weekend.
The monitoring?
Yeah, monitoring what it was doing.
That's right, that Victron app there, with all the Victron gear you have in there, that'd be piled up with different things on there, wouldn't it?
It was.
Oh, yeah, just amazing. No, it's been great.
So we use it 100% before you went to sleep?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
Good, because I know we finished late on the Friday.
Yeah. Oh, it was 100% as soon as we got home.
Well, how much solar do you guys have up there again?
1300.
1300 watts, that'll certainly punch it in for sure.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yep, got to run through that big Victron reg in there, but and what'd you just wake up to if you went to bed at 100%?
We watched TV, and coffee and toast or whatever during the night, you know. No worries, I woke up and it was down to 81%. That was leaving the inverter on all night. Really happy with it, so can't complain.
That's the idea. You don't have to think about it as much. You've got the automatic cut in if it gets low, you've got the automatic cut off, all that sort of stuff. Yep.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what you want in any sort of caravan setup.
It's maintenance free, and I just don't have to worry about it.
Well, that's exactly right. You guys have got a slightly bigger power system than most people, but you've also got a slightly bigger rig than most people, so that's for sure.
So I was just so impressed.
Thank you very much. We appreciate
No,
that.
you're welcome.
I'm glad it's all working as planned.
I can highly recommend you to anyone out there looking for a system that works and does what it's supposed to do.
Glad to hear it.
Because when you're on the road, you run into people all the time that they're just not working properly. And when you ask what have they got, and they tell you, they've got those big heavy batteries.
Of course, yeah, compared to the lithium there, those 39 kilos each, compared to AGM, each of those batteries at 24 volt, 200 amp hour, that and AGM, you'd be talking hundreds of kilos to match a bank like that. And you've only got, what's that make? 80 kilos or 78 kilos?
Yeah,
It's 400.
It's 400.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.
And
You
it
certainly
does,
save some
and
weight.
it's so much more. It's just fabulous. But yeah, no, we're really pleased, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
Thank you both very much for that. It's been great to deal with, that's for sure.
Thank you for the service and your job there, done. It's been great.
Appreciate that, thank you.
The
Don't see any
service
problems
and
in
the
the future.
keeping us informed at all times. That really goes a long way these days because most people couldn't care less. They just want your money.
Thank you both.
Fabulous company,
Thank you,
fabulous
Ben. Thanks for your service. It's been great.
fabulous employees.